What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and to like this video. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, what I want to do, I want to go see Nash because he got a little trim yesterday. I'm going to go see this now. If you see this sort of thing, I don't think you know what it is. If you've seen the last video, the two last videos, this is a worm farm. Now, me and my dad made this worm farm. We made it out of a bathtub of chicken. And we got some of this. Now, let's see if they ate what I gave them yesterday. We take this carpet up. Oh, my luscious. Okay, well, that smells awful. So I'm just gonna let that down. Ow, okay, oh, whatever. All good. Now, I can hear it gonna storm. So if it's gonna storm, they're not, oh my god. Hello, my ducks. Okay, well, let's get some feed. But thank you guys for 171 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. But I do want to get to 500 in 3 weeks. So I'll keep doing videos. You guys keep subscribing. Keep on doing it. Yeah. Let's hop straight into it and feed these ducks. I'm gonna need to find something. Now I can just use this sort of thing and they can peck it. But there's some stuff in it. So, okay. What I'm gonna do. Okay, now, excuse your report in there. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here. Put this right here. Open the cap. And then we're just gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna hide inside of it. Bye-bye. Adios. Hello.
Hola, amigo.
We got enough. What in the world? Okay. We got it, guys. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Chicken. Come on, guys. Don't chicken. All right. I'm leaving and a couple days, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Peafowl! Mr. Peafowl! We got some fish! What? Okay. There we go. Alright, Mr. Peafowl looks kind of... okay. Let's, Oh, they can't get in there. Okay. Then stop trying. What are they doing? What's it they want about, bro? Okay. What in the woods? The little bunny rabbit. Look, it's a little bunny rabbit. Get it and tease him. That's kind of fun, right? All right. Okay. Now, we're gonna go ahead. Since all these, little fella, look at his haircut. I don't know if you guys can see, but little fella got a little hair, buddy, okay. And baby does get a haircut. Nash and baby got a haircut. I like baby's haircut more because there's just more cut. She doesn't really like that much people to be around her because she just doesn't like people. Yay! Okay. And guys, I really want to hit 500 subscribers. So make sure you guys keep coming into my channel and subscribing if you haven't already. But thank you guys for so much for 171 subscribers. Yeah. But that'll be end of today's video.
Today, Junior?
Also, I have a lot of this mint. This is all mint. And it actually smells pretty good. And you know what you can do with mint? Really minty because it's mint. But yeah guys, that'll be the end of today's video, and stay wild kids. See you in the next adventure. Actually pretty good. An adventure. Peace out.